Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from Okinawa, Japan. Well, let's go for this is my image today, and I have another one which is this line image which is from Adobe Photoshop. I use the filter called Find Edges to make this image. Okay, I'm gonna use two images layers together. Then, well, first of all, I'm gonna add the layer, then choose the brush. Now, watercolor with sponge, water bleed, wash, what do you call in English? I don't know. This one said Japanese. Well, drawing. Let's go with the. There's a water. Okay, I'm gonna use this watercolor brush to use first. Now, I'm going to tone down on opacity, maybe this much. Very, you see the image, huh? Then I want to see this line image layer mode to go to darken, so you see clearly. Now let's go with this set. Then I'm going to put the color on the layer 3, which is in between those real image, photograph, and line image. Okay, let's go. I'm going to check that size. I'm going to go for a big one and darken, maybe, no, 7%. Oops. That's, I guess, too big. Just kind of intuition, just watch it. Oops. Wait a minute. I put on the pictures layer. Photo layers. Oops, I should. One going back. I guess I put all this stuff over there. Okay. I'm gonna clear on this, then get the insert file again. That's easier way to get this same thing, and then go, oops, go down, opacity, then go for it again on this. Okay, now. Oops. I did it again. Same thing. Come on. Okay. Use on this. Okay. Should I lock this layer? Can I lock? No, lock the layer. Just hide. That's all I can do. Well, anyways, I'm going to see this and I'm going to put on the color on this layer. Okay. I'm going to add another layer, then the reason why I add another layer, maybe I can change the layer mode to darken on this. So, and also I'm gonna go back to layer 3 again, and I'm gonna put the skin tone. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate. Then I'm gonna turn this one off and make the mask. invert this, then again same brush, we're dynamic, just much bigger. Okay, leave this one this way, and go for dark areas now. I want to go to the shadow areas. Same time I want to make a mask on this. This line image, maybe I don't want this darker lines on lips. Let's show black. And also okay, I'm going to use this layer, go up to here and then make the turn on everything, but then I'm going to mask, invert. Now I'm going to I want to see ways to be real clear. Now I'm going to fix the detail. Take these lines, and also show the mask underneath. touching this mask now. And use the white to take this out. So it's going to show this image. Then maybe I go this layer to be more vivid light. You see, you can tell that's too much maybe. So let's compare. It's a bit light, hard mix, no. Color. Yeah, I guess I like this vivid. Then turn this one down just a touch, maybe 70% or so. Okay, I guess I like it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and see you next time. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye now. Ciao.